Hey, Side Hustle Geniuses! Welcome back to another episode of Side Hustle Genius. I'm Allan, your guide to profitable side hustles and automation tips. Today, we're diving into a business that's perfect for animal lovers: mobile pet grooming. Let's explore how you can start your own mobile pet grooming service and scale to earn up to $15,000 a month. Ready to groom your way to success? Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the scope of this business. Business scope: the pet grooming industry is booming. More pet owners are looking for convenient, at-home grooming services that save them time and reduce stress on their pets. Starting a mobile pet grooming business allows you to tap into a high-demand market, offering services like baths, haircuts, nail trims, and more, all from the comfort of your mobile van. This business is great because you can cater to busy pet owners, elderly clients, or those with multiple pets, and build a loyal customer base. Business requirements: to start a mobile pet grooming business, here's what you'll need. Grooming equipment: invest in quality grooming tools like clippers, shears, brushes, and pet-safe shampoos. Grooming van: a reliable vehicle that's big enough to be converted into a grooming station. This van should have enough space for a grooming table, bath station, and storage for your supplies. Grooming skills: proper training in pet grooming is essential. You can take courses or get certified through reputable grooming schools or organizations. Licenses and insurance: make sure to check local regulations for necessary business licenses and consider liability insurance to protect yourself and your business. Section title: Business Options. Allan. Now, let's look at the different services you can offer with your mobile pet grooming business. Basic grooming includes baths, brushing, and nail trimming. Full grooming offers haircuts, styling, ear cleaning, and dental checks. In addition to basic grooming, specialty services: you can also provide add-ons like de-shedding treatments, flea baths, or even pet massages for those extra pampered pooches. Subscription packages offer monthly or bi-monthly grooming packages to ensure repeat business and steady income. Business resources: here are some resources to help you get started. Grooming tools: high-quality clippers, scissors, brushes, and grooming products. Look for tools that are durable and designed for professional use. Mobile van conversion: companies specialize in converting vans into mobile grooming units, complete with water tanks, generators, and grooming stations. Scheduling and payment apps: use apps like Square or Booker to manage appointments, process payments, and keep track of your finances. Pet owner platforms: websites like Rover or Petco's grooming directory can help you find your first clients and build a reputation in your area. Estimated timescale: let's talk about the timeline for getting your mobile pet grooming business up and running. Week 1 to 2, research the market in your area, decide on the services you'll offer, and start gathering your grooming supplies. Week 3 to 4, purchase or convert your grooming van, set up your grooming station, and get any necessary licenses or insurance. Month 2, start advertising your services online, through local flyers, and on pet owner platforms. Begin booking your first clients. Month 3 to 4, focus on delivering excellent service and building a solid client base. Offer promotions or discounts to encourage repeat customers. Month 6, evaluate your progress and consider expanding your service area or adding more grooming options to increase your earnings. Estimated cost: so, what does it cost to start a mobile pet grooming business? Here's a rough estimate. Grooming equipment: $500, $1,000. Keep hustling smart.